Hello, this is Jason, back again from Kuta Beach in Bali, and it's a little moody looking day. Let me show you. Got some clouds. Sun is hiding behind the clouds over there, and it's about an hour before sunset right now, so probably not going to see the sunset in this video. We'll see how it goes. But today I want to talk about improving yourself every day, just a little bit. Make small incremental improvements. And this is kind of a Stoicism philosophy that I've talked about before, as well as, only worrying about things that you can control in life. And it's also a Japanese philosophy called Kaizen. And it's based just on making small incremental improvements, but doing it every day. So let me flip you around and we'll stroll down the beach and talk about ways that we can improve ourselves every day and why we'd want to do so. And I'm also going to take you to a little mom and pop place where I had some grilled chicken and some fried noodles with chicken, and it was very affordable. It's actually makes me laugh sometimes when I get the bill, or if I just look at the menu and see how much something costs, and it's like $1 something for a meal. It's like, what? Really? Like, I wouldn't even take the time to prepare the food for $1, let alone actually provide the materials, the ingredients. So it's just crazy how affordable things are here in Bali. And this is in Kuta, which is the big, this is the biggest city area. So I think it's going to get even more affordable as we go out to the other areas deeper inland. So we'll see. All right, I'm gonna flip you around, put you on my chest, and let's talk about self-improvement. All right, so Stoicism, or as the Japanese would refer to it in Kaizen, self-improvement, small incremental self-improvements. And the idea is, it really doesn't take that much effort to just do small incremental improvements on yourself. And that could be, learning something. You could watch a documentary, and that's a good way an easy way to get information. Read a book. You can, learn a new skill. Look up on YouTube how to do something, and learn how to do something new every day. All right, let's take a quick break to stop by Saté Man Denny and grab a bite to eat. This is a nice little quaint restaurant and has very affordable prices. So, no frills type of place, but the Coke was under $1. It's like 70 cents. This meal here was some fried noodles with an egg on top. This was $1.90, so under $2, and it was very tasty. Pretty good size portion for under $2 meal. And I didn't think that just the noodles would fill me up, so I also got some grilled chicken, and they put some kind of sauce on it. It was tasty, kind of like a barbecue, and it was I think $1.90 as well. It came with little vegetables on the side and a side of rice. for under $2. And this restaurant, like many others, is just, you know, open to the air. There's not many places that have air conditioning. And then for dessert, I had a little plate of fruit, and this was like $1.50. So almost everything was just like a little bit over $6 for a pretty filling, I'm not say kind of healthy meal. So you can eat in Bali very affordably. So I'd recommend this place. Check it out. All right, let's get back to it. Something that I've been doing is just taking a small amount of time every day, usually when I get up in the morning, and just doing some exercises, just calisthenics, nothing too crazy. I'll do 30 push-ups, 3 sets of 10, and I space those out in between doing 30 sit-ups, and I do 30 side crunches on each side. I'll do 30 squats with no weight, just using my body weight, and squat down as low as you can go, and do that 30 times, and you'll actually be surprised how much you feel that in your legs. And I also do 30 leg raises. So a lot of it's on my core. And it only takes me like 15-20 minutes to do all those exercises. You don't have to do them at any hurried pace. And that small amount of effort each day, you know, over courses of weeks and months and years, that'll make a huge difference in your physique. And you're also burning some calories, and it really doesn't take any effort at all. You know, people say, I don't, you know, especially people that get like gym memberships, and, you know, just going to and back and forth to the gym could be an hour. You know, if you have a commute and traffic, then you get there and all these different weights where, you know, you could be in the gym, people go for an hour or two. So it could be a big time commitment, 3 hours a day maybe, of gym activities. And, you know, I've tried to do that before, and I always get burnt out. It's just because I don't want to dedicate that much time and effort to doing it. And I never got the bug where people are like, you know, that's something that they really enjoy doing. I've always dreaded it. So, but I can commit to 15-20 minutes of exercise just right there next to my bed when I wake up, no matter where I'm at. Don't need any special equipment, and it's not hard to do. You just have to put in a small amount of effort, and it'll pay off in the long run. Just very small, incremental improvements. So that's something that I've been doing, and I think it's paying off. And that's the idea of Kaizen, or Stoicism, and self-improvement in small incremental doses. All right, let's take another quick break to head over to Gaba and take a look at this triple decker sandwich with 3 slices of sourdough bread and grilled chicken, bacon, tomato, lettuce, mayo. It's kind of like a club, but with sourdough bread. I think it had some cheese on it too, and it came with some French fries. And this was I believe $6. So, pretty good sandwich. I enjoyed it, and the atmosphere at Gaba is very nice. Oh yeah, there's also an egg on it. I forgot the egg. So a little extra protein there. And it was a very delicious sandwich. I would definitely eat it again. And I would go back to this place again. It was very good. So I'd recommend it. Check it out when you're in Bali. All right, here's a little outro. It was very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. And some other things is reading books, which seems to be a lost art these days. Almost anything that you do besides, watching a TV series or movie or doom scrolling on social media, those are the main time sinks of useless activities. I mean, trying to make learning an entertainment activity is something that can really improve your life. And I do actually enjoy learning new things, new subjects. It makes me feel like I've accomplished something when I've obtained new information that I didn't have the day before. Like, now I know whatever it is. So, if you can make learning your entertainment, that could really make big improvements to yourself. So, mentally improving, physically improving. I guess you could do financially improving, making steps in your life to improve your finances, save an extra $1 a day. I mean, that definitely has its limitations. Maybe an extra 10 cents a day. It's more realistic over a long time horizon. But just making small incremental improvements, or it could be learning about how to, invest, or learning about how to manage your money. That small incremental improvements in those areas can really add up in the long run. And that's the basic idea. So let me know if you have had this philosophy yourself and not really had a name for it. But it's Kaizen in Japanese traditions, and also Stoicism, which came from Marcus Aurelius and Seneca, from like 100 BC or something, a long time ago. It was 2,000 years ago where this philosophy came from. So very old philosophy. So if you haven't heard of it before, now that you have, I would challenge you to try to implement it into your everyday life and just try to make one small improvement every day. So that's all I got for today. Short and sweet. It's because it's a very simple idea. Just make a little improvement every day. Make your life a little bit better each and every day. And it'll add up over time. You'll see big gains from just small amounts of daily effort. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe for future videos. And maybe share this video to someone that could use the knowledge of improving themselves. I think everyone could use that knowledge and just get that idea in their head of making small incremental improvements every day to improve their lives. So thanks for watching. I'll give you one last look at the beach. Looking very beautiful. And that's all I got for now. So I'll talk to you later. Take it easy.